Good day guys, welcome again. Welcome to Off-Road for Life. So we're back to a little bit of cooking. So this afternoon I'm gonna make a little bit of mutton and cabbage, slightly different. So what I've done guys thus far, just a little bit of vegetable oil in this pot. I added a few dry spices, a little bay leaf, a little bit of fennel seeds, a little bit of a cinnamon stick, star anise, and 3 little ilachi guys. So I'm gonna let that warm up, and once that's done I'm gonna add my onions. So guys, we're at the stage where we're just gonna add in our onions. And we're going to let that cook until it softens. So that's going to go for a few minutes until we get these onions nice and soft, and then we'll get to the next step guys. It'll be adding our spices, and I'll let you know what we're going to add in. So guys, that's busy cooking away. Take a minute or two for that to soften. And when that's done guys, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and I'm adding a little bit of extra chili powder. I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of chili powder guys. I'm going to add that to the mix in a few seconds. So that's busy cooking away. It'll take a minute or so more. So cooking a curry is easy guys. Well, if you follow the steps, it's really easy. So you can make it a bit more spicier by adding a little more chili powder, or you can make it a bit milder by adding a little less. So it's very easy guys. So guys, my spices have gone in. I'll let it cook for a few seconds. I don't want it to burn. And then I'm going to add my meat. So guys, my meat's gone in. Let's stir it up a bit. I might just add a drop of water. There you go guys. Next step. So I'm going to make a little, not a lot. So guys, that's what it looks like with a drop of water. Just put a drop of water in so it doesn't burn. And I'm going to cook it on medium heat guys. So this is what it looks like, possibly 10 minutes later. So guys, there's an option. I'm going to put in 1 potato guys, diced it in 4 pieces. You don't need to do that. So I'm just adding 1 potato in. So there you go guys, we're at the next stage where I did put in the one potato, dashed in 4 pieces. I'm going to let that cook for a few more minutes, and I'm going to add my cabbage. And when the cabbage cooks for about another 5 minutes, I'll add a little bit of salt guys, and that's it. Just gotta wait for it to cook. So guys, my cabbage has gone in, so I'm using white cabbage today. You can obviously get the green one. So that's white cabbage. And I'm not going to stir it, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to let it cook for around 5 minutes before I stir it guys. So that's what it looks like now. So guys, I've left this for about 10 to 12 minutes. I didn't stir it at all. And I'm at the stage right now, I'm going to stir it in. I know people do it differently, but that's just my way of doing it guys. There you go guys, that's where we are at the moment. And even if I say so guys, that looks good. So remember, if you want to have it with a bit of bread or make a bunny, you need a little bit of that gravy. That little bit of that gravy, you need that. But if you cook it, if you're having a rice, I would think it'll be nice for you to just dry that up a little to clear some of that water. So there you go guys, we possibly almost done, possibly another 10 minutes. So the whole thing should take you around 50 minutes, 55 minutes, so just under an hour. I'm cooking on a medium to low heat, so we'll have a look at it just now again. There you go guys, 5 minutes later. We should be done in the next 5 minutes or so guys. There you go guys, that's done. So it's my take on mutton and cabbage. I did had a potato. Once again, it takes about 45-50 minutes to cook. So there you go guys. Bit of bread. And that'll be fantastic. So once again guys, thanks for watching. Take care guys. Cheers.